Whether you're heading into Denver International Airport by plane, train, car, or bus, it's hard to overlook Sturgeon Electric's latest construction achievement. The Hotel and Transit Center at DIA, an integrated infrastructure upgrade backed by the City of Denver, comes with a $544 million price tag. One of the most high-profile, high-pressure projects in Sturgeon's 100-year history.
You have a 14-story hotel sitting on top of a public transit center tied to a fully operational airport. So with that, you have multiple constituents. A lot of people are interested in how this project is going to work and how it's going to flow.
While excavators moved massive amounts of earth and concrete adjacent to the Jeppesen terminal starting in 2011, Sturgeon's management team dealt with every conceivable pre-construction detail.
The other thing is the RTD part.
A key decision made early on was to secure additional office and warehouse space near the airport to improve the company's ability to stage and deliver materials in a timely manner throughout the job. As the structural steel was set in place, it became obvious to those visiting Denver that the 433,000 square foot, 519-room Westin Hotel and Conference Center was going to be a very unique structure. No less impressive is the Public Transit Center, which Sturgeon Electric also provided power and lighting to. It includes a new 22.8-mile commuter rail line which runs between DIA and Denver Union Station.
If you're standing on the top step of a ladder...
Managers for Sturgeon Electric had to ensure their dozen subcontractors, handling $17 million of the $44 million electrical contract, were all on the same page. While many of their new partners came to the job with good safety records, it took considerable investment by Sturgeon Electric to bring everyone's cultures to the same high level. Sturgeon Electric's outstanding safety performance on this project demonstrates why they're a star status member of OSHA's Voluntary Protection Program, the Department of Labor's highest recognition for workplace safety.
Whether it was one of our subcontractors' names on the gang boxes or Sturgeon, it didn't matter. They'd hired us to bring them a Sturgeon-type project, and that's what we did.
And we've never done this before with this type of lighting.
Sturgeon electricians installed chic, contemporary lighting in several locations in the hotel, including the 5th floor Sky Bar, the fitness center, and the sauna and pool areas located on the 11th floor. Large, elegant, intelligent lighting systems were installed throughout the conference center space on level 2.
Right now we're in one of the main ballrooms.
More than 2,000 crystals hang off these 40-foot-long, 2,000-pound chandeliers. Too heavy to be supported by the ceiling itself as originally planned, Sturgeon Electric's building information modeler made sure the specially built structured frame holding each chandelier would not collide or conflict with anything else.
We had to coordinate it with ductwork and plumbing and other systems up above the ceiling.
Heavy use of building information modeling, along with prefabrication, improved efficiency.
We built most of our conduit rack all in our warehouse, in our prefab facility, installed them.
Yeah, but these ones were done.
We got ahead of the game in the installation on site.
All the ground lights, we do all the edge lights, and we do a lot of taxiways.
Sturgeon Electric project engineer Tom Wolf is no stranger to performing work out at DIA, the 5th busiest airport in the U.S.
Right here we've put in a lot of this airfield lighting.
Since the early 90s, he and his crew have been installing power, lights, fiber optic communication, and safety systems to the main terminal, Concourse A, Concourse C, as well as other pieces of aviation infrastructure, such as the airport's baggage system and runway lights. The Hotel and Transit Center at DIA is yet another shining, soaring success for Sturgeon Electric.
But when you stand back and look at this thing, it's so cool. This is a very, very neat job.
We had our backs against the wall with the schedule, and we still were able to come through and finish it strong at the end.
We're proud of what we have here, and this will be a Denver showpiece.